Welcome to RS Kids Art. Hello kids, today we are drawing a baby stroller. Let's start. We'll draw a beautiful stroller. Wait for end. We have a complete drawing, a beautiful baby stroller. Let's enhance little bit. Now fill the colors. Yellow color, red color, violet color, blue color, sea green color, green color, pink color, magenta color, dark green color, gray color. We made a beautiful baby stroller. Thanks for watching.